Alrighty, live here. It looks like. Let's see. Yep. Alrighty. So market want to come down. Looks like. Want to see it come up in here possibly, and come up in here, make some new lows, break some highs, come break this high eventually. That's what we're looking for. As far as that, as far as it coming back into the red zone, same thing. And come back down and come down here. We want to break this low. That's what we're looking for as far as that. We just broke bullish on the 1 minute, it looks like. So that's a 15-minute fair value gap right there, as you can tell. It should come up in here. We want to see it. Get this as best as we can. It is wanting to make it come up. I would like to see it come up here. It don't really matter. We are bullish on this 1 minute. Mean threshold of the fair value gap on the 15 minutes of this high down here, but I'm not going to draw the fair value gap all the way down here because I want to be at discount of this range. So we're starting to make a move up into here. I'm not going to short it because, like I said, we want to see it come up here, make its way up a little bit, break that low, and then start making its way down. Just like that. We are bullish though, so we could come and just take the high out. It wouldn't be ideal to come in and take the high already because I do want to get into this trade. This will be our main target 4. If we do end up getting short, main target right there. This fizz ran from this high to this low. Now we're in discount of this range. We're also in discount of Friday's high to this low. We're also in discount of that range. So internally, this could be target, and this could be a target down here. We're not gonna jump ahead of ourselves yet. Just gonna target this, but it's looking real strong on the upside right now, which doesn't really mean nothing though. I've seen so many things. This fair value got disrespected, so that can go. It can go. It looks like we may take this high right here. Let's see. And we took the high. We're so bullish on this 1 minute. So what that means is we can still come down into this range now because this is right here. We broke structure right here. Because we came up, we came down, broke this low, and then we broke this high. We broke structure right here, straight green. So we can still come into, we're still bullish. Just because we're moving up doesn't necessarily mean it's going to get bearish anytime soon unless we start breaking some highs and lows. This is our 15-minute. Looks like we just kind of want to keep going up. Not the first time I've seen this happen, so it definitely won't be the last. Patience. We did catch a move right here. So short right here, and we got it right there. Alright, now if we break this, so we came up here, price came up and then came down. Up, just because this is a red candle doesn't necessarily mean we flip bearish, because if you get on this lower time frame, see how price came all the way up and then down, right? But we are now, this right here is now gone. We are still bullish here, but if it falls below this right here, if price wants to come back down and then come back up, we will be shorting that. That's what we will be looking for. But prices, I mean, price is completely running. We still got 50 points until we break this high. So if it does happen, it will happen later. I don't think it'll happen early in the morning. Maybe happen in the next, by lunchtime maybe. Possibly. So what I'm looking for here is, as I stated earlier, we came up, we came down, and we came back up. So I want to see this low. I want to see this low get broke, because it would be a change in structure, break of structure, whatever you want to call it. Now people call it different things. We want to break this low, then we're going to come into discount, and then we're going to start making our way down. Just like that. This can get deleted off. And when we take our low, our target will be straight this right. Well, we'll have a few targets. Will be this right here. This will be our main target, 544, which would be almost 300 points, 250. I don't think we will go all the way down there, but that's why we use market structure. We let the market tell us what it wants to do. If it wants to stop us out, we'll get stopped out. If not, we'll keep running it. I've seen it. I mean, my biggest play was like, I think 111 points. So I mean, it's possible. Like I said, 100 points. Of course, this is 250, just about. So definitely a lot larger. And let's see what happens right here. But we're still bullish here, so price is still going up. Automatic. I don't like how the way this go. And we just sit here and wait, see what happens. see, it looks like it wants to. We want this to be broke. Cause this right here was the total low of this move up. Price went up and then came down. And then went back up just like that. Now we just broke that low. So we went discount of this. Turn this red. And we want to short this right here.
Order submitted.
Stop would be $1.50. So 11.75. No, 10.75. Oh, 12. So it'd be 12.
Order submitted.
And the reason why I do $1.25 is because they like to stop hunt. So it's just, I've been in plays and we literally get stopped out because my stop is like a point and a quarter or something. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna start doing it $1.25 or a point and a quarter above the original high. Actually, I was in a play last night and I put my stop. I usually put it a point and a quarter, and I didn't. I put it 50 cents or half a point, and I got stopped out. And it was kind of upsetting because usually I do put that. You know, I hate how that does. It's not even. But we're looking for price to go up in here. If price wants to go up into here, we will sell under this. We'll sell 2 under this.
Order filled.
Right here. So, cool, we want to take profit.
Order submitted.
We'll buy some. It needs to turn. There we go. Put it half a point up because the low was 50. And of course, we could get stopped out right here. But we'll see. And then we'll bring our stop down if we can break this. But it is, I mean, we are strong. So, like I said, just because we're strong doesn't mean nothing. Like I said, I've seen strong moves get rejected. We actually have a little fair value gap right here on the 15-minute. I think that's pretty much the only imbalance left, as far as I know. Right here. I think this will be the pretty much the last imbalance we have left. It'll be up here. We want price to drop that down here. We did create a little fair value gap right here to the upside. Hopefully we want to see it drop below it. And essentially just use it as, it could use it as support. We come break this high like that. Or we could come down, use it like that. That would be ideal as far as that. There's just the 2 possibilities. And it looks like it might want to continue up right here.
Order filled.
And did the price go up there?
Order canceled.
Okay, well, hey, we got stopped out right there. All good. I'm going into that 15-minute imbalance right there. So we want price now to break this low. We are still bullish though. We just flip back bullish. So let's see what happens. We would break this low to get back in. Slow grind. And it wants to freeze up on me. Alrighty. We also have a little inverse fair value gap right here. I'm not going to be taking any of these. I'm hoping we kind of drop through these and use it as resistance. We're still bullish here. Price is definitely starting to slow down now. You started off running up, come down, take this high, which is fine. I'm hoping what happened was you had some people short, stopped them out, and then got people long chasing right here, and then drop it down and see what happens. Not jump into that yet. Yeah, I don't really see why we don't go up into right here, but I don't want to take this because it just, I would take it if this fair value gap took this high out right here. But of course we do have an inverse, and then we do have this one, and then we have discount. So see what happens. And shit, we take the high out. Let's see where we're at. How close are we to this? I mean, at this point, we're at 40 more points. That's a big one. See how this candle created this fair value gap above this high right here? Looks like price may want to continue up running. Yeah, we're not going to use that anymore. It's too high. I don't want it. We are still bullish here though. Which price could want to come down into this? Price is bullish. Here goes the high. Now if we break this high, all this would be basically delete all that off and we're close. All this will be non-referenceable. Let's see what's doing here. And we pretty much have it now right there. So 20. I think this is the 15-second chart. This high could definitely be taken out now. Definitely in range now to easily just go up there at this point. I didn't think it was from the start, but I guess we're just so bullish. Man, if we could take this high out, that's insane. Look at this 15-minute, these 30-minute. Yeah. Keep on moving up. See what happens when this minute candle closes right here. Price is definitely just slowing up there. Let's see it. Man, prices are going slow. We're still bullish here. And do have a little fair value gap right here in discount. We might as well. We can't actually. This is previous range right here. As long as this.
Order submitted.
So we're gonna long this. See if we get tapped in. We're gonna hold the all-time highs. All-time highs. Here we come. Hopefully we can get filled here though.
Order submitted.
Man, looks like we might just go ahead and just take this out possibly. I'm not too sure. I don't want to. I want to get filled. Yeah.
Order canceled.
All-time highs here. All-times high right here. Now, if we do break this short, I will short this. I will short this. We just want to grind up slowly though. We don't have any imbalances, it's all clean, so we'll just kind of hang out, see what happens. See, I want to break this right here. So we broke it. I'm looking to short this all the way back down. We got, looks like we have a little bit up in here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Always take a little profit from there.
Order filled.
Okay. Price could still want to come back into this. We're gonna see though. Looks like we're getting a little bit more volume coming in. It looks like. So I would like to see if it does want to come back up. I want to see it react and just come back down though. I don't want to hang out. I don't want to do any of that. This is a previous range. Probably still want to come peek into that real quick. So the highest I want to go is this. I do not want to break this. If we do, it's fine. I'd just rather not. So we took a little profit there. Nothing crazy. See what happens here. Let's reweight. Main target, like I said, is down here, which would be 300 points down from where we're at now. I don't think we'll get down there right now, but we will. Large market structure. I would like to see like a little, maybe a 30-point move down. I wouldn't mind seeing that. I wouldn't mind seeing price come at least up in here. Maybe come into this imbalance. We did fall into this 1 minute imbalance right here. But right now I want to see price come down here. I want to break this, because like I said, we came all the way down. Theoretically, we came all the way down right here, come up, and I want to break this. I want to break this low so I can move my stop to right here. I don't want to break this. See what happens here. Of course, it could just want to go and take it. You know? This will be like we want to see. We want to see now. We will see this low be broke. We want this low to be broke right here. I feel like a lot of this kind of just got participants in right here. We did not break this. Look at the candles. Candles not come above. Let the candles talk, not the wicks. Candles closures working good. So let's push down a little bit more right here. So we did take that little loss right here earlier. For about 140, I think. So we want to break this low so we can bring our stop down, take some of the risk off. And there we go. $1.25 above, so it'd be 49, 50, 70, 50, 75 right here. We broke this low. Now I'm gonna see this start giving some speed down right here. Speed down. If we break this high, we will flip back bullish, which is why we have our stop there. I want to peek above it though. We will keep this here just to keep it. That's not what you want to see typically. Strong buys right there. There we go. That's nice right there. That's a nice reaction off that. Nice reaction. Let's see if it wants to continue down right here. I also didn't see it. We had this little fair value gap right here. It's a little imbalance. Right there. So if we break this low right here, our stop will be moved down just a little bit. See what happens right here. Let's see. Price looks like it's consolidating a little bit. What I'm doing, I'm hoping they're accumulating shorts. Hoping they're accumulating right here shorts. And just sling that price down right here. That's what I'm hoping for. But we will see. They're accumulating shorts to drop price on, or possibly accumulating longs to bring price up. Let's see price start to drop here. Still consolidating. Candles are staying above it, looks like. information is terrible. I mean, just look at that. That is terrible action. That could have been just drop the price down right there to sling it up. I know for a second there, it seemed like volume was picking off this break right here. But definitely slow down now. Alright, let's see if maybe we'll start dropping here. Slow action here. Slow action. Let's see it. Man, that close. Still gonna come down here. Let's see. Whew, look at that move up. That's actually insane.
Order filled.
Alright, we just flipped bullish here. Do I want to long this? That fair value right there. No, I'm not going to long this, even though we could go up here. You know what? Let's see what we got here. Slowly coming down. Just tap above that. Let's see it. price is just slowly moving. What does price want to do? So in the stream here, y'all. Price moving slow. I'll be back tomorrow. Hold up, let's see real quick. We're gonna break this low right here. If we break this low, I'll short it. Depends on how long it takes though. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it here. I'll stream again